What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new video on the graph and the GRT token. I wanted to do a quick video on that now that the market is, well, fairly bullish, very bullish, whatever you want to call it. Tomorrow is quite an important day as well, and it was requested by some of you. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on that. We'll mostly focus on the technicals in this video because, well, fundamentally there's not a lot to say about the graph. The graph is doing fine. It's a great project. It's a unique project. It's going to be around. All right. It's for the next bull market. I'm not sure if it's the best pick because it still is quite inflationary, but it's a good pick. All right. So yeah, before we get into the technicals of GRT, which I do have some things to say about, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me in my trading signals group, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results if you're interested in that. Now let's get into GRT. So yesterday with the bullish momentum, I mean, the market structure for GRT was, I would say it was fairly consolidating, right? So we were moving between 13.5 cents and well, 15 and sometimes 15.5 cents. So this was kind of the market structure, and you could argue that we are still in this. It kind of depends on what you think the upper bound was of our consolidation. It doesn't matter that much. If you're looking at the EMAs, you can see that they're relatively flat, and then you would say the consolidation is between 15 and 13.5 cents, because that's equally far away, as you can see. But we also did start some sort of bullish momentum from the 27th of March. And I'm not saying that that is the cause of this, because I think it's very clear that the cause of this bullish momentum and ultimately the initial breakout we had above 15 cents is caused by the bullish momentum we saw for Bitcoin. All right, I think that's fair to say. I don't think I'm saying a lot of crazy things with that. So right now we are also still following Bitcoin. Now, as I said, and that's kind of an interesting thing for GRT specifically, is that we did manage to break above 15 cents, which is actually a respected level, which you can also see. But once we broke above that, we actually did not hold it as support. We never did. We broke down below that immediately. So that's actually a bearish confirmation for GRT specifically. Apart from that, I think the market today will just be quiet. I don't think there will be a lot of movement, but if there will be movement, I think it's a bit of retracement. Even though I think we are still very bullish, but I do think that today bearish momentum is a bit more likely than bullish momentum, and then tomorrow it depends on the outcome. Or tomorrow probably bullish momentum is also more likely, but that's a bearish confirmation that we instantly gave up the level we broke above. So for today, I expect us to drop down, but I do think, for example, that 14.7 and 14.6 as a support will already hold. So altogether, I think we'll just consolidate kind of between 15 cents and 14.6. And then tomorrow, based on the inflation rate, which I'll still do a full update on in a specific video tomorrow afternoon. But tomorrow, it all depends on whether we can break above 15 cents, yes or no. Whether the outcome of the inflation rate is above or below 5.2%. If it's below, that's very bullish. GRT will instantly get up to 16.2 and perhaps even break above that and get up towards 17.5, honestly. If it's higher than 5.2, if it's just 5.3, I don't think we'll see that much effect and we'll just move sideways. If it's like 5.6, that's quite high, then we'll probably drop down towards 13.5. So it depends a lot. As I said, I'll still do a full update on it tomorrow, but this is kind of my initial analysis. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching and bye.